What's the meaning of Baha'i? Baha'i. Baha'i.
Baha'i. Baha'i. Baha'i is a religion that was founded in the mid-19th century by Baha'u'llah in Persia, now known as Iran. The word Baha'i means follower of Baha, referring to Baha'u'llah, who is considered by Baha'is to be the latest in a line of prophets that includes Abraham, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad. The Baha'i teachings emphasize the oneness of humanity, the need for universal peace and justice, the equality of men and women, and independent investigation of truth. Baha'is believe that all religions come from the same source and that the spiritual principles they promote are eternal and unchanging.